Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with SmartThings Hub for device automation routines, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, make sure you have your SmartThings Hub connected to power and your Wi-Fi network. Next, download the SmartThings app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Open the SmartThings app on your smartphone or tablet. If you don't have an account, tap on Create Account and follow the prompts to set one up. Once your account is created, sign in with your credentials. On the main screen, tap on the plus icon at the top right corner to add a device. Choose Device from the menu that appears. Select the type of device you want to add from the list provided. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your device into pairing mode. Once your device is detected, tap on it to continue with the setup. Complete the installation steps as prompted by the app. After successfully adding your device, return to the main dashboard of the app. To create an automation routine, tap on the Automations tab at the bottom. Tap on Add Automation to start the process. Select a trigger for your routine, such as a specific time or when a device is activated. After selecting the trigger, choose the actions you want to perform when this trigger occurs. Once you've selected your actions, review your automation settings. Make any adjustments as needed, then tap Save to finalize your routine. Your new automation routine is now set up and will run according to the conditions you specified. Feel free to explore additional features in the SmartThings app for more advanced automations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.